Cal.com Tutorial 2025, How to use Cal.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Cal.com to manage your appointments effectively. First, go to Cal.com and sign up or log in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click New or New Event to create a meeting. Enter the event name, date, time, and duration. Next, customize the booking link by adjusting the event type and availability. You can set buffers between appointments to prevent back-to-back bookings. Additionally, you can add reminders to notify participants before the event starts. After setting up the event details, click Save Event or Continue. Let's fill out this field first. Meeting, let's see, and then after that let's click on continue. Let's do quick meeting and then click on continue. Now after that, you can add reminders to notify the participants before the event starts once again, and then after setting up the event details, click Save Event. You will get a unique booking link that you can share with your clients or colleagues. This link allows them to choose a suitable time slot and confirm the appointment. To view or manage scheduled events, go back to the dashboard and click Upcoming Events. Here you can reschedule, cancel, or modify events as needed. For advanced settings, explore integrations with Google Calendar, Zoom, or Microsoft Teams. These integrations streamline scheduling and keep your calendar organized. Cal.com also provides analytics to track your appointments and identify popular time slots. This helps in optimizing your schedule for maximum productivity. And that's how you use Cal.com to manage your appointments in 2025.